Hello everyone, today's topic is Business Studies Project Marketing Management Shampoo BST Project File Class 11th and 12th. On first page you have to write your school's name, Business Studies Project on Marketing Management session submitted to teacher's name and then submitted by student's name. Your introduction, name, class, section, roll number, subject and then school's name. Topic Marketing Management Shampoo Certificate. This is to certify that Tanisha Mishra of class 11th has successfully completed this business studies project on the topic Marketing Management prescribed by Miss Ishani Sharma ma'am during the academic session 2023 to 2024 as per the guidelines issued by the Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE. Now last column is signature of your ma'am. Principal's name, teacher's name, acknowledgement. I would like to express my special thanks of gratitude to my teacher Miss Ishani Sharma ma'am as well as our principal Mrs. Vinita Sharma ma'am, who gave me the golden opportunity to do this wonderful project on the topic marketing management, which also helped me in doing a lot of research and I came to know about so many new things. I am very thankful to them. Marketing Management Shampoo Index, Marketing Management, Marketing Mix, Introduction, Shampoo, Licensing and Permission, SWOT Analysis, Benefits of using shampoo, Why I choose this product, Product Description, Pricing, Promotional Schemes, Competitor Brands, Competitor Analysis, and then last is conclusion. Marketing Management. Marketing management is a process of decision making, planning and controlling the marketing aspects, setting the goals of a company, organizing the plans step by step, taking decisions for the firm and executing them to get the maximum turnover by meeting consumers' demands. Marketing management is based on product, place, price and promotion to attract consumers, and here are the pictures. Marketing mix. Marketing mix usually refers to set of 4 Ps with product, price, promotion and place. Marketing tools that a firm uses to pursue its marketing objectives in the target market. Product, promotion, price, place. My product is Garnier shampoo and this is a picture. Introduction. Garnier is an international hair care and skin care brand. It is a great hair shampoo to help oily roots. It prevents breakage hair, helps to get rid of split ends, gets smooth, shiny and soft hair. It is a paraben, sulfate and chemical free shampoo. It can be used daily to replenish nutrients and cleans away toxins. Garnier shampoo logo here, tagline by Garnier Naturally. And here are the some pictures of Garnier shampoos. Licensing and permission. In order to start manufacturing a cosmetic product has to obtain a license from the license authority of the state government. The application to be submitted from 31st along with a license fee of rupees 3,500 and inspection fee of rupees 1,000. Inspection of whole provides where the operations are to be carried out should be done. Inspection appointed under the Pharmacy Act 1948 should carry out the inspection and submit a detailed report to the licensing authority, which will there decide the grant of the license or not. And here is the picture of this. SWOT analysis. Strengths. Locality of our factory. Our factory is near the market, which reduces transportation costs. Weakness, lack of marketing expertise. New brand in market, hence customers will not trust us easily. Opportunities, a developing market such as internet and introduction with global market. Threats, as we are new in market, it will be challenging for us to grow between well-known brands. Price war with competitors. And you have to decorate this page. Benefits of using shampoo. Nourish your hair, protect your hair, gives you healthy hair, soft hair, silky hair, smooth and beautiful hair, dandruff free hair, maximum foam, strong perfume. And here are the some pictures. Why I choose this product? My product is Garnier shampoo. Shampoo is the basic necessity of life. It is very mild and creamy. This shampoo is highly effective in taming frizzy and unruly hair. We can easily purchase it from shop or online. We can also store it. It is available in different shapes, sizes, fragrances and prices. And here are the some pictures. My product description. Garnier is a hygiene brand owned by the multinational consumer goods company. We provide a good quality product in reasonable prices, and we use eco-friendly, natural and gentle materials to make our product. We try to provide large variety of product as per the consumer's demand. Garnier shampoo picture. My pricing. The decisions regarding product mix will depend on my factors like design, features, brand name, quality, variety, service, packaging and labeling. Promotional schemes. Promotional can be explained as a set of activities to communicate about the product, its services and brand value to the people. Coupons, discount, buy one get one free, offer, cashback. Competitive brands in the market: Head and Shoulders, Dove, L'Oreal, Tresemme and Sunsilk. Competitor analysis. Head and Shoulders. Head and Shoulders is an American brand of anti-dandruff and non-dandruff shampoo. Its products effectively help manage dandruff and improve scalp health. This shampoo makes your hair smooth and strong. USP: one of the strongest contenders in dandruff shampoo market. Tagline: dandruff care for great looking hair. And here are the some pictures of Head and Shoulders shampoo. Now Dove shampoo. Strengthening Dove shampoo formulated to help prevent hair fall. Deeply nourishes fragile and weak hair from root to tip. This shampoo is to remove dirt and oil from the surface of the hair fibers and scalps. USP: Dove shampoo provides deep moisturizer for dry skin. Tagline: let's change beauty. And here are the some pictures of Dove shampoo bottles. L'Oreal. L'Oreal shampoo is really good in nourishing hair. It cleans really well and do hair soft, shiny and smooth. It is a chemical-free shampoo. It repairs hair fall, dull hair, damaged hair and frizzy hair. USP: L'Oreal best caters to the beauty demands of women of different cultures through constant research and innovation. Tagline: beauty to inspire. And here are the some pictures of L'Oreal shampoo. Now Tresemme shampoo. Tresemme is an American brand of hair care products. It helps reinforce hair strength and prevents hair fall due to breakage. Gets longer and stronger hair. It gently purifies hair. It does help promote hair growth. USP: provides different formulas for different types of hair. Tagline: used by professionals. And here is a picture of Tresemme shampoo bottle. Sunsilk shampoo. It comes with active mix that contains egg protein, almond oil and vitamin C. Egg protein is known for its moisturizing properties. Almond oil is known for smoothing properties for softer hair. Vitamin C is known for making hair sleek. USP: popular hair care brand for all types of hair made by real hair care expert. Tagline: hair care for all possibilities. And here is a picture of Sunsilk shampoo bottle. All shampoos. All shampoos are the hair care products. The main purpose of shampoo is to remove dirt and oil from the surface of the hair fibers and the scalp. Shampoo is used for applying it to wet hair, massaging into the scalp and then rinsing it out. And here are some pictures of shampoos bottles here. Conclusion: Garnier shampoo cleans the scalp properly after the wash. Hair feels stronger, softer, smoother and voluminous. Gives good result on dry frizzy hair. It makes hair soft and shiny. It nourishes and moisturizes the hair. Moisturized hair is less likely to break or look dry and frizzy. Here is the picture of Garnier shampoo, and Garnier shampoo is a best shampoo. And you have to write your name in last page. Thanks.